Hey guys, what's going on, and welcome back to another edition of Tool Tech Tuesday. Tonight I have something pretty exciting for you. I've been wanting to basically broaden my horizon and take the next step as far as welding. You guys know that I have the Praxair Avenger Series 201i MIG welder over there. I have used the crap out of that for the past 3-4 years, and I just love it, and I really enjoy using that welder. But I just wanted to step up my game and really try something different, step out of my comfort level. I've done this once or twice in the past, but it's time to start getting into it and doing it more than what I have been. What I have is a PRIMEWELD TIG225X. So let's go ahead and grab my knife, get this box opened up, and look at everything that actually comes inside this box and see how well packaged it is. First off, right off the bat, when I got home, I noticed there's a great big dent and gash right here in the box. So hopefully this has got really good packaging inside there and nothing inside the box is damaged. I guess that's they put the 70-pound tape on there from UPS, so they just kind of tossed it however they could because it weighed too much for them. Starting her off the bat on top, you got your owner's manual. You can see this is right over here on this side, and there's a great big thick piece of foam right here, so there's really nothing hurt at all. As far as packaging, the welder was in a nice thick layer of foam. It's a multi-layer foam box. Had top and bottom, had some nice plastic corners on the top, and on the bottom side it's got metal corners. So as far as packaging, it's pretty nice. Welder was in a bag. Like I said, they had a bunch of silica packs, and everything was really packaged very nice. All right, we're gonna start off with the manual, and then we're gonna go on to box mark number 1. So with the manual, I kind of leafed through it just a little bit. It's a nice full color manual. I haven't got a chance to read through everything, but it does go through and explain everything and tells you everything, and also tells you everything that's supposed to be in the box that you've received. It's got a 7-day per week phone number on there, which you can call for tech support. And then it does carry a money-back guarantee if you're not 100% satisfied with it. So, very good motor's manual. I love the way it's laid out. I like this full color. A lot of times you'll see just this top cover that is color, and then the rest of it is just black and white with pictures, but everything is nice full color. It's actual pictures of the welder and the knobs and everything else, and telling you how to, or proper operation of the welder itself. So in the first box, we're gonna have a handheld welding mask, chip and hammer, and wire brush. Gonna have your foot pedal, your stick stinger. This welder is AC/DC. You can use it for TIG welding, and you can also use it for stick welding. Standard Dens 35 plug. Got your ground clamp in there. First impressions, this ground clamp. This is a lot better than what the ground clamp is on my Avenger MIG welder over there. It actually has a band going from where your ground connects to the top, connected to the bottom, so you're not just going through the spring or a clip or something inside the ground clamp itself. You got nice even ground all the way through, whether it's top or bottom. You got your gas valve hose. These are actually crimped on each end. The gas valve hose that came with my Avenger over there, those have clamps on them, and these have crimped fittings, so I like that a lot better. And then you're gonna also come with just a standard argon CO2 regulator. All right, in box number 2 we have our TIG torch, which is a CK Worldwide. It is a CK Worldwide number 17 flex head, is what it says. It's the SL35. It's a CK1712 SFFX-SL35 with the flex head. So that's pretty nice. I can't wait to actually try this out and start working with it. I'm really anxious to get working with this. Gonna have your adapter plug. It does come with it, so if you want to use this on 220 or 110, they've got you hooked up with your adapter plug. Does come with a bag of consumables and a tungsten. It's a 3/32 tungsten. On the consumables you have a couple collets, collet body, a long end, 2 long ends, and then you also have 2 short ends. And then as far as gas nozzles, you're going to have a 6, a 7, you're going to have a 5, a 6, and a 7. And then if you don't want to use the foot pedal, it also comes with a finger trigger that you can put on the back of the torch. This would be more for your 2T or 4T operations. My MIG welder has the 2T and 4T operations. I do not use it because I don't like it. I like to be able to press the button and have it come on, and release the button and have it go off. So as far as the 2T and 4T operations, we'll be using 2T most all the time. And then this will just fit right on the back of here like this, and then you can use that to strike your arc if you so choose. And as far as machine functions, you have your power switches on the back of the machine. You have your lead connections here with your gas for your torch head, and then your foot control, and then your ground and your positive. You will have your TIG and your stick switch here, and AC and DC switch, and then right beside your AC and DC you're going to have your AC frequency and balance. You're going to have your start current, your upslope, this is your welding current or your amperage, and then your downslope and your end current. And then this is what I was talking about here, your 2T and 4T selection. We're always going to run probably in a 2T selection. I really don't feel a need to run into 4T. I don't like using it, just my personal preference on the MIG welder. I've never used it on a TIG, so I really can't give you a definitive answer if I like using it on a TIG welder or not. Then you're going to have your pre-flow, and your post-flow, and then your pulse button on and off over here, high and low pulse. And then you got your pulse frequencies and pulse duty here. So that pretty much takes care of the unboxing of the machine. I wanted to run the machine tonight too, but as I'm doing this video, I remembered that I forgot to stop and pick up an argon tank. So I have a CO2 argon mixture over there from a MIG welder, but on TIG welding, it's 100% argon 100% of the time. So yeah, I need to do that tomorrow, and then next Tuesday we will do some welding with it and see how we like it. So that gives me a week to do some practicing, doesn't it? I also have another affiliate I want to let you guys know about. It's weldmetalsonline.com. I'll put a link in the description below. Then I'll also have a coupon code down there if you guys want to use it. What that is actually weld coupons. You can go on there and you can buy these coupons. Packages like this. This is 1/8 inch, 16th inch. They have starter packs. I went on there and purchased the starter pack, which is aluminum and carbon steel, and it comes with 2 different thicknesses of carbon and 2 different thicknesses of aluminum. And then it also comes with 2 different size filler rods for aluminum and carbon, and then it also comes with a tungsten. That kit is 40 bucks. But to me, $40, it may sound high, but I think it's well worth it, because you don't have to sit there and cut your metal, clean your metal before you want to weld with it. Everything is done for you. Most of it's even deburred. You can go right to town, start welding with it. So like I said, this is Weld Metals Online. Link is in the description for PrimeWeld and Weld Metals Online. If you guys want to check them out, use my coupon code CHAD10. That will get you 10% off your purchase at Weld Metals Online. So I guess with that being said, that's pretty much going to take care of it tonight. Check out PrimeWeld. So far, I like this welder a lot. I can't wait to get to use it and practice with it all week long, and then bring you guys along for the ride next week. I'm exploring actually replacing my MIG welder too, because I was looking at their MIG welders. So I thought about changing up the MIG welder and putting everything on one cart and keeping everything nice and condensed. But that's going to be something that I'm going to have to think about hard. So anyway, guys, if you don't mind, hit that like button, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already done so, and we'll talk to you guys later on.